Airbnb, or sell. Achieving financial goals with your property. Investing in real estate is a common strategy for achieving financial goals, whether to generate passive income or build long-term wealth. One key decision for property owners is whether to rent or sell their homes. With the rise of short-term rental platforms like Airbnb, renting out a property has become popular for those seeking to generate income from their home. However, selling a property can also provide a significant financial return. When deciding between renting or selling your property, it's essential to consider your financial goals. Are you looking for short-term gains or a long-term investment? Do you want to generate passive income or sell your property for a lump sum? These questions can help you determine the best course of action for your unique circumstances. But before we get into it, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get notified of the next video from us. Shall we start? Pros and cons of renting out your property on Airbnb. Aspiring property investors must consider various options to meet their financial goals. One popular way is renting out their property through Airbnb. It provides the opportunity to earn higher income compared to long-term letting. By pricing your property per night, you can increase your earnings when demand in the area is higher, such as on weekends or holidays. It also allows you to pick and choose your hosting dates and be as involved as you like, whether it be a completely hands-off approach or managing everything yourself. However, there are also some drawbacks to consider. Airbnb comes with a host service fee, and booking is not guaranteed, as there is no contract like with long-term tenants. It requires time and energy to manage communication, cleaning, and check-ins. Bad reviews can also stick with your listing, negatively impacting your bookings. Not all guests are perfect, and reckless behavior and damage sometimes occur. The impact of location on your rental income. Regarding real estate investments, location plays a significant role in determining rental income. Properties located in areas with limited expansion potential, especially in cities, tend to have higher values than those with more room for growth. The accessibility, appearance, and available amenities of a neighborhood, as well as future development plans, all impact the value and desirability of a property. Investors should consider location as a crucial factor in their financial goals regarding rental income. Prime locations are more expensive but can retain or increase their value over time. Therefore, choosing the right location ensures maximum rental income and profitable investment. Investors should also keep in mind that the location of a property is not the only factor that affects rental income. Other factors, such as property size, condition, and rental rates in the area, should also be considered when making investment decisions. Factors to consider when selling your property. Selling a property can be daunting, but it can yield great financial rewards if done right. Some important factors must be considered to ensure that you make the most of the opportunity. Firstly, pricing your property correctly is critical. Overpricing your home can lead to missed opportunities and disappointment. Accurately assessing the market value of your property and looking at comparable sales in the area can help determine the right price. It is also essential to be available for showings, as this can increase the chances of selling your property quickly. Marketing is another important factor. Ensuring that your property is listed on as many real estate sites as possible and looks appealing is crucial. High-quality photos can make your property stand out. Preparing your home for sale is equally important. Cleaning your home thoroughly and fixing the little things that could turn off potential buyers can make a big difference. A well-presented property can create an emotional connection with buyers and lead to a higher sale price. Property management for short-term rentals. Property management for short-term rentals can be a lucrative business venture, but it requires careful planning and attention to detail. The primary goal of any property management strategy is to minimize financial returns while minimizing risk. This means carefully managing rental rates, expenses, and occupancy rates to achieve the owner's financial goals. One key aspect of property management for short-term rentals is marketing the property effectively to attract as many guests as possible. This includes creating high-quality listings and professional photos, optimizing pricing and availability, and responding promptly to guest inquiries and reviews. Another important factor is managing the day-to-day operations of the rental property. This includes cleaning and maintenance, managing guest check-in and check-out, and providing exceptional customer service to ensure guests have a positive experience. Finally, property managers must also stay up to date on local laws and regulations regarding short-term rentals, such as zoning laws and occupancy taxes, to ensure compliance and avoid legal or financial issues. Legal considerations for renting out your property. Renting out a property comes with many legal considerations that must be considered to protect the landlord's financial goals. One of the most important is the security deposit, which is often required before renting a home. State laws typically limit the amount charged to no more than 1 or 2 months' rent. This deposit is meant to protect the landlord's interest in case of any damages made to the property and must be returned within a certain time frame, usually 30 days after the tenant moves out. In addition to the security deposit, landlords must ensure that their property meets certain habitability standards defined by state law. This includes making necessary repairs and ensuring the property is safe and secure. Residential leases should also clearly outline the landlord and tenant's repair requirements. When setting rent amounts, landlords should research the going rate in the surrounding area while also considering any rent control laws or similar regulations. Finally, landlords may prohibit smoking on their property and should outline any smoking-related policies in the lease agreement. Tax implications of short-term rentals. Short-term rentals can provide a lucrative source of income, but it's also important to be aware of the tax implications that come with it. If you rent out your primary residence or vacation home for 14 days or less throughout the year, you do not have to pay taxes on your income. This is a significant advantage, as you do not have to worry about reporting the rental income on your tax return or deducting expenses related to the rental property. However, if you rent out your property for more than 14 days, you will be required to report the rental income on your tax return and may also be able to deduct certain expenses related to the rental property. This could include cleaning fees, repairs, and maintenance costs. It is important to keep detailed records of all expenses related to the rental property, as these can help reduce the taxable income. Some states and municipalities may have their taxes and regulations related to short-term rentals. Researching and complying with local tax laws is important to avoid penalties and legal issues. Market trends in real estate investing. Due to shifting market trends, real estate investing has significantly changed in recent years. With the increasing use of technology, house hunting has gone digital, and more people are searching for properties online. The pandemic has also prompted many people to move from cities to the suburbs, seeking more space and better quality of life. The Sun Belt has become increasingly popular, with many people relocating to southern states with warmer climates. The demand for single-family housing continues to grow, leading to shortages in many areas. As a result, home prices have continued to rise, making real estate investing a lucrative option for those looking to increase their financial goals. However, it's important to carefully evaluate the market trends and assess the potential risks and rewards before investing in real estate. Understanding market trends is crucial for anyone looking to invest in real estate. It can help investors make informed decisions and adapt their strategies to make the market's changing demands. Maximizing profits through pricing strategies. As a business owner, maximizing profits is one of your primary financial goals. One way to achieve this is through pricing strategies that are carefully planned and executed. The right pricing strategy can make all the difference between profit and loss. Pricing strategies can help you determine the best price for your product or service by considering factors such as demand, production costs, and competition. Businesses can use different pricing strategies depending on their financial goals and circumstances. One popular strategy is cost-plus pricing, where a percentage-based markup is added to the product's cost to arrive at the final retail price. While this method is simple and guarantees a profit margin, companies may have better choices for selling digital products or services. On the other hand, value pricing focuses on the perceived value of the product or service to customers, considering external factors like reputation and economic climate. This flexible strategy is great for generating demand throughout the year. Penetration pricing is another strategy that involves charging low prices at the start and gradually increasing them as the market share grows. This can be effective for startups and small businesses still building their brand. Whether you rent or sell your property on Airbnb ultimately depends on your financial goals. Both options have advantages and disadvantages, so carefully considering your priorities and needs is important. Ultimately, whether you rent or sell your property, the key is understanding your financial goals and making choices that support your overall financial well-being. What will you surely remember among these guides we have for you? Comment down below and share it with us. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time.